Today, I'm diving into the top 10 powdered foods you need in your prepper pantry to survive the apocalypse. Let's see if I can actually make a meal out of these. Having a well-stocked prepper pantry is essential for emergency preparedness, and powdered foods play a critical role in that. They're lightweight, compact, and can be stored for a long time, making them perfect for survival situations. When it comes to food storage and nutrition during an apocalypse, one of the biggest challenges is finding options that are efficient, nutritious, and can last for a long time. Canned goods are great, but they're heavy and take up a lot of space, and fresh produce is often impractical for long-term storage. That's where powdered foods come in. They're a game changer for preppers. Powdered foods also offer a level of versatility that's hard to find with other storage options. They can be used to make a wide range of dishes, from soups and stews to baked goods and even desserts. And because they're so compact, you can store a lot of them in a small space, making them perfect for bug-out bags or survival kits. Another advantage of powdered foods is that they're often incredibly nutritious. Many powdered options are made from freeze-dried fruits and veggies, which retain their nutritional value even after dehydration. This means you can get the nutrients you need to survive, even in the toughest of circumstances. Moving on to the top 10 powdered foods that are essential for your prepper pantry. From milk to eggs, fruits to veggies, these options will help you create delicious, nutritious meals even in the darkest of times. First up, we have powdered milk, a staple for any prepper pantry. This stuff is incredibly versatile and can be used to make everything from cereal to smoothies. Next, we have powdered eggs, a great source of protein that can be used to make omelets, scrambled eggs, or even baked goods, from dinners to desserts. Powdered fruits and veggies are also a must-have. From strawberries to broccoli, these options will give you the nutrients you need to survive. Powdered peanut butter is another great option. It's high in protein and can be used to make everything from sandwiches to sauces and desserts to drinks. We also have powdered oats, which can be used to make oatmeal or even baked goods. Powdered coffee and tea are also essential. A good cup of coffee or tea can do wonders for morale in a survival situation. And of course, we can't forget about powdered soups. They're a great way to get the nutrients you need, even in the toughest of circumstances. But one powdered food stands out from the rest: powdered honey. This stuff is incredibly versatile and can be used to sweeten everything from oatmeal to tea. Plus, it has antibacterial properties that can come in handy in a survival situation. One unique use for powdered honey is as a natural preservative. You can use it to preserve fruits and veggies, making them last even longer in storage. Another way to use powdered honey is to make a natural energy drink. Simply mix it with water and a bit of lemon juice, and you've got a tasty, energizing drink that's perfect for survival situations. And because powdered honey is so compact, you can store a lot of it in a small space, making it perfect for bug-out bags or survival kits. In the end, having the right powdered foods in your prepper pantry can mean the difference between survival and, well, not surviving. These top 10 powdered foods are essential for any serious prepper, and they'll help you create delicious, nutritious meals even in the toughest of circumstances. Thanks for watching SurvivalScope, everyone. I have provided links in the description for you if you need powdered food products. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite powdered foods, and check out our other videos on prepping tips for even more insights into survival preparedness.